Hello everyone, welcome to my exam series for Chemistry Paper 1. This week I will be focusing on Chemistry Paper 1 content in preparation for your mock exams. Let's go through question 4. Complete the ionic equation for the reaction between zinc and copper sulfate solution. As part of your answer, you need to include the state symbols. First thing that you need to do is you need to write up the molecular equation, which we are going to do now. And that is going to be zinc, which is going to be in a solid state, plus copper sulfate, which is going to be aqueous, followed by zinc sulfate, which is going to be aqueous, and copper, which is going to be solid. It is very important for you to know the state symbols. Next, we are going to break up each aqueous molecule into ions with the correct charge. You need to know your charges for ionic equations. It's very important that you do memorize them. Okay, so zinc has neither been reduced or oxidized, so we just leave it as it is. And I'm going to write down Zn. Plus, we can see that copper sulfate is an aqueous molecule, so we need to break that down into ions. Copper is going to be Cu2+, plus the sulfate ion, which is going to be SO2 - 4. Arrow, zinc 2+, plus the sulfate ion, which is going to be SO2 - 4, and then plus copper, which has neither been reduced or oxidized. So you can clearly see that is what I have done so far. Now what you need to do is you need to basically look out for the spectator ions. Spectator ions are present in an aqueous chemical reaction but do not participate in the reaction, meaning they remain unchanged on both the reactant and the product sides of the chemical equation. They are often identified by writing out the full ionic equation, which we have done, and then crossing out the identical ions that appear on both sides. Which ions appear on both sides? It is going to be the sulfate ions, and I'm going to cross that out right now. And I have underlined it as well. Right, let's finish the ionic equation. What is it going to be? The answer is going to be Zn2+. That's going to be aqueous. That's what you need to write in the brackets. And then we're going to have Cu, which is going to be copper, and that's going to be a solid state. I really hope that this has helped you to understand ionic equations. Please do like and share my videos and leave your comments behind. Thank you.